The guiding system on the triad wedge welder, both in the front and in the rear, provides accuracy in your seam width and easy means to line up the material. Front guides are adjustable and pre-position the material as it enters into the S channel for welding. In addition, there is an adjustable top guide for alignment of the top sheet of material to the edge of the specific wedge size being used. This guide will stay on the machine for most all weld finishes. The standard triad wedge welder includes the three basic welding guides: overlap, hem, and fin, which mount in the rear of the machine next to the welding area. The overlap guide positions the lower sheet and is adjusted for the lower sheet of material to match the particular wedge size being used. This creates the overlap of material between the pressure rollers. Removing the overlap guide will allow for the use of the hem guide for the production of hem-style welds. The formation of the hem will leave a minimum size open end to the folded over edge of material. This open end can be adjusted to make of any size pocket that may be required. The inner edge of the wedge housing can be used in conjunction with the hem guide to make for a specific pathway for the material to travel and further assure an accurate diameter pocket size. And with the removal of the hem guide, the fin guide can be installed to create an edge for the lower sheet of material to match the same edge as the top sheet, which is placed up against the top guide. The material is introduced into the triad from one side, and the lower sheet then moves under the wedge housing and into the fin guide. The top sheet of material is placed up on the top guide, similar to the overlap weld style. From the standard triad welder, there are a variety of welds which can be produced. The basic welds are the overlap weld, the hem weld, and the fin weld. From these basic welds, other weld finishes can be produced, including insert rope weld, tape weld, sleeve weld, large tube weld, a channel weld, and many more.